Good morning, I'm David from Machinehead Moto. We're here today with Ben. We're going to be decking out his DesertX with SW Motech gear, which we have recently partnered with to bring them into the shop. And we're going to put pretty much everything onto your bike.
Yeah, I can't wait. Literally, the guys at SW Motech have been super kind and sent us every single bit of kit they make that you can bolt onto a DesertX, Ducati DesertX. We've got a huge pile of stuff. We've got a lot of work ahead of us to get all of this on the bike in one day. I can't wait to see it all installed. We're so excited. We've got the belly pans, we've got the pannier racks, we've got the panniers, we've got the engine guards, we've got the tail packs, we've got mirrors, we've got bars, we've got foot pegs, we've got everything that you can get on this amazing motorcycle, and it's going to be even better when it's fully loaded with the SW Motech kit. So we probably need to get on with it, mate.
I suppose we do now.
Yeah. And at that point, I just say, make the magic happen, and he gets his magic fingers out and bolts it all on, because I'm not really that engineering minded. But, you know, I can stand and critique,
okay,
if that's helpful.
Yeah, that sounds good.
Right, start the clock.
Let's go.
3, 2, 1.
I didn't know this was timed.
Fit. This is not helping Dave's OCD on cleanliness at all. He's like, why have you brought such a filthy bike into my workshop? So this SW Motech kit, as with anything on your bike, you want it to, be built for the purpose. You want it to look good, but also, a lot of the stuff we're putting on here is safety kit to protect the bike should you fall off. The bars, the guards, the bobbins, they will all stop the main components of your bike getting damaged, which are very expensive to replace. So you put these kits on to protect the bodywork and all the other bits. So if you are off-roading or you do have a crash, you're better protected, and therefore nothing gets damaged that is costly to replace or actually prevents the bike from operating. If you crack a sump or get a hole in something, it starts leaking oil or coolant or whatever, then your trip's over. So this SW kit is there to design to protect it. But also, we've then got all of the luggage systems going on this. So you can go on these big adventures and load your kit up with the panniers, the top box. We're putting a tank bag on there as well. So it gives you that flexibility to put extra carrying capacity on your bike for adventures. And it's modular, so you can just have the panniers or just the top box or just the tank bag if it's a day out. And then some of the aesthetics, so we've got the new mirrors and some more heavy duty guards on the handlebars. So again, it's just making this bike, it's already an amazingly capable bike, but it's just giving it that extra protection and flexibility to do more extreme riding and go on bigger adventures and just enjoy the bike even more.
It's good because you have the instructions, QR code, shows you how to do it. It's amazing.
We've now got the pannier rack on the left side installed. We just need to tighten up these bolts. Really cool system, just clips in really easily, actually. Even I can do it, turns out, and then looks super robust. And it's actually, from the profile, it's very low profile, doesn't stick out too far. Obviously with the panniers on, it will stick out more, but in terms of the aesthetic, so we've got the top box mounting bars on as well. They will mount off the same points. But yeah, it's really low profile. I like it. Good stuff. Another bag of screws. I've got another bit of metal. This should just do that.
Yeah, it should do.
That magically, if I drop those, you'll then cut away to this being fully mounted. Gotta love a quad lock mount.
Absolutely.
Look at that. The great thing about the new Maglock quad lock mounting kits is that you can just bang them straight on the side of your motorbike whilst you're doing your work. That's all the big stuff done, I think. So we've got the crash bars on, we've got the new sump guard, we've got the pannier racks mounting and the tail pack mounted, all done. That's all the main structural bits that we're sticking on. The rest is kind of cosmetic. We're going to take off these standard original round mirrors and put on these super sexy new straight ones. Unboxing. Oh my God, hold on. These are so nice. So we've got the pannier mounts all set, and now we've got these amazing Trax Adventure side panniers, aluminium side panniers, and all being well, these should just slide straight on. And then that just clips in like that. Boom, we are mounted. Look at these, just amazing.
That's lovely, isn't it?
And then on top of these, we're just gonna fit some locks to those. And then if that's not enough room, and there's litres and litres of room in there, we've got these super cool extension bags that just clip straight on top there, with the mountings are all inside, so you can just increase the capacity.
We're getting close. Front end's almost complete. We've got the handguards on, got the protection on there. Mirrors are just being put on now, and front end wise, I think we're pretty much there now.
So we've now got the top box mounting plate fitted. We've got this amazing SW Motech, beautiful matching black top box. This should, all being well, just slide on like that. That clip goes underneath. And we are top boxed, locked and ready. Okay, so all done. We are fully kitted out now with the full SW Motech range of accessories for the Ducati DesertX. We've got sliding bobbins on the front and back. We've got the crash bars. We've got the sump guard. We've got the tank bag, mirrors, new hand guards. We've got some extra bits, some protection on the other side, all the luggage, the full system with the Trax Adventure panniers, the racks, the top box, the whole shooting match. And I don't know, Dave, it's the first time we've put all of this and taken the bike outside. For me, I think it just looks awesome. It's a massive step up for the bike and the aesthetics. It just enhances what's already a pretty good looking motorcycle.
Yeah, I think the way it's gone onto the bike, it's just been, you know, there's been a few bits where we had to kind of just fettle slightly to get it on the bike, but I think it looks really, really good, especially the black bash plate with the bars, the way the rack sort of fits in with it nicely. it's quite slim as well, isn't it?
Yeah,
It's not
certainly.
like
Yeah,
overly wide.
yeah. The pannier racks don't stick out excessively, and once these systems are off, it's very streamlined. Still,
Yeah.
it doesn't.
Yeah.
You don't feel like you've got this massive whale tail at the back, but still so much capacity.
The bit I really like with the SW Motech stuff is like how the bits we took off were kind of quite sort of small and fiddly.
Yeah.
All of their metal work is like really strong. It's quite robust. It feels like it's kind of meant to do the job.
Yeah.
Especially on the parts on the bash plate and the way the crash bars are fitted. I think actually it's
Yeah,
real
even down
grade
to
up.
these sliders on the handlebars. I
Yep.
definitely feel more confident off-road on this now. Like I can take it more extreme places, safe in the knowledge that if I do fall off it, it's going to soak up the bangs and it's still going to be rideable. And the handling is still really sharp with the bike. It doesn't feel like the extra weight is inhibiting it at all. And ready to go on some pretty serious adventures with this, fully loaded up with all the gear. Do check out SW Motech, and if you do need your new kit fitted, I highly recommend Machinehead Moto and Dave for doing an excellent job in very quickly and effectively getting all of this stuff mounted. Thank you, Dave.
I mean, one day.
One day is
We
a lot
managed
of,
to do it
yeah,
in one day.
it's a lot of kit to
That's
put on.
a lot of kit to put on, but yeah. I mean, it's something we don't necessarily always have in store, but we've always worked with SW Motech, so we can kind of pick and choose what we want to put on bikes. So yeah, if it's something you want to fit to yours, then whether it's a DesertX, R9T, whatever it is, there's tends to be things that they've got for almost every bike out there now.
Can't wait to do more adventures with all the kit. Nice.
Nice.
A good day.